Hi, my name's Maggie, and today I'll be doing my presentation on the fiddler crab species. The fiddler crab is also known as the calling crab, and this refers to around 100 species and subspecies of crabs. They have a shell length of 1 to 2 inches. Their shell is a darker shade at night and turns to a lighter shade during the day. The male has 1 large claw and 1 small claw, while the female has 2 small claws. They weigh around 1.8 grams. They have a smooth shell with a square-shaped body. They have 2 eyes that are located on the tops of 2 long, narrow eye stalks, which are located in the center of their shell. The fiddler crab that lives in Florida is one of 3 Uka species. They're found from Cape Cod to Texas and also found in South Florida. They usually live near coastal marshes and intertidal zones in soft sand or mud, and they are the most common crab in salt marshes. For their ecological role, they help preserve coastal wetland ecosystems by adding oxygen to the soil through the narrow tunnels that they burrow. This oxygen is able to reach seagrasses and other species that live in the water. They are tertiary consumers and decomposers, mostly bottom feeders that eat algae, bacteria, fungus, and detritus from other species. Their predators include herons, egrets, and raccoons on land, and then in the water they're eaten by just about every fish. Their spawning season is from June through August. Their mating ritual includes the male crabs lining up next to the tidy burrows that they've dug and waving their large claw back and forth to attract the females. Once the eggs have been fertilized, they must incubate for 14 days before hatching, and the fiddler crab reaches sexual maturity at age 1 to 2. For some fun facts, the fiddler crab actually gets their name from the fiddling motion they make with their large claw. They're usually found in big groups and will often be seen throughout the sand in their little tunnels with just their large claws sticking out of the sand. And they're one of over 100 species of crab that live in both land and sea. Thank you.